I am not a good cook, but I can talk about it in English. Can you? Do you like to cook? If so, it may seem easy to do. But did you know there are many methods of cooking and each uses a different verb? The verb cook is the most general of these, basically just meaning to heat food in some way to prepare for eating. There are two basic heating categories. 1, dry heat. 2, moist heat. Dry heat means that hot air or fat is used to heat the food. Moist heat means that water or steam is used. There are also 3 main appliances that are used to cook in these ways: grill, oven, and stove. Let's look at dry heating methods first. Using an oven. Bake. Cook at low heat. Heat from all sides. I'm going to bake a cake in the oven. Roast. The cooking process is the same as baking, but slower and at higher heat. The outside becomes crisp. The bigger the turkey, the longer it takes to roast. Broil. Cook with heat from the top, quickly and at high heat. The outside is crisp, the inside is juicy. Let's broil some pork chops for lunch. Using a grill. Grill. Cook with heat from the bottom. Like broil is quickly and at high heat. Nothing tastes as good as burgers grilled over a fire. Using a stove. Saute. Cook quickly in a shallow pan with a little oil. The word comes from French, to jump. Sautéed onions taste sweet. Fry. To cook in oil. Why is it that fried foods taste so good but are so bad for you? Is your mouth watering yet? Let's look at the moist heating methods. All of these use a stove. Poach. To cook in water at low heat. Eggs may be the most commonly poached food. Simmer. Cooked at higher heat than poach. Let the vegetables simmer a bit to make them crunchy. Boil. To cook in boiling water. Higher temperature than simmer. I can't cook food, but I sure can boil water. Steam. Cook in the steam of continuously boiling water. Wow, steamed meat buns are my favorite. Which of these methods have you used before? Which of these do you use the most? Let me know. Write me a comment. Was this video interesting and meaningful to you? Did you learn something new Please let me know and pass it on if it has been helpful to you. Thanks. Goodbye. The verb cook is the most general of these, basically just meaning to heat food in some way to prepare for cooking. No, to prepare for eating.